There are countless stories about the Bermuda Triangle around the world. Lost ships, missing planes, and mysterious seas. Many consider this place one of the most terrifying locations on Earth. Bermuda is a small archipelago located in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean. The coast of America is about 1,050 kilometers to the west, while reaching Africa requires a sea journey of nearly 4,800 kilometers to the east. Surrounding it is nothing but water, air, and horizon. The island covers just over 50 square kilometers, yet its formation is quite peculiar. Bermuda is actually the peak of an ancient volcano. After the volcanic fires extinguished, coral, shells, and marine sediments accumulated over thousands of years, forming a layer of limestone. And around this island lies a dangerous coral reef. Hundreds of ships have been wrecked upon these hard rocks that rise close to the water. It is believed that over 300 shipwrecks still lie on the ocean floor. Interestingly, this shipwrecking coral became the reason for the arrival of Bermuda's first inhabitants. Another remarkable aspect of Bermuda is its houses. From a distance, thousands of white roofs are visible. These are not just for aesthetics. The island has very limited natural freshwater sources, therefore the roofs of every house are designed to collect rainwater, which is stored in tanks below. The white limestone roofs reflect the sun's heat, help keep the water clean, and keep the house cool. Thus, a single roof serves the functions of collecting water, regulating heat, and withstanding storms. Space is also a major issue on this small island. Since 1951, the use of private cars in Bermuda has been regulated. Tourists generally cannot rent private cars. As a result, the sound of scooters is more familiar on the island's narrow roads than that of cars. With limited production opportunities on the island, everything from rice to medicine must be imported by sea. In other words, surviving here means adapting to the limitations of nature. Yet the people of Bermuda do not fear the sea. After a day's work, some go boating, some fish, and others spend time gazing at the ocean. For them, this sea is not a barrier, it is a part of their lives. However, the story of Bermuda's mysteries does not end here. Since the time of Christopher Columbus, there have been reports of unusual compass behavior in this region. Sometimes the compass needle can become confused, and for old sailors, such situations were extremely dangerous. Before the era of GPS, the compass was one of the main sources of navigation. But Bermuda's greatest mystery may not be the lost ships. The biggest question is, how have people survived for hundreds of years in the very place that the world knows as a symbol of mystery and curse? Perhaps the true value of a place lies not in its size or wealth. When people cling to a piece of land with love, that land eventually becomes their home. The people of Bermuda may have proven just that.